have more snow now than we did at all last year.
A big blast from Mother Nature.
It was a mess.
Dumped nearly 10 inches of snow into the Springfield area, accumulating all day and into the night.
We hunkered down. I had a work from home day, and the kids played in the snow.
But while many were able to keep warm indoors, the Springfield Public Works Department stayed out, clearing the slippery streets.
It was all hands on deck.
Director Jeff Strong says the job was typical for a heavy snowstorm.
The guys plowed right through until about 10 o'clock last night, and then the crew went home and came back in at 3 this morning.
Renford Freeman was one of those people, describing the nonstop work as mentally exhausting.
You start at one point, and by the time you reach the next point and come back, you might have 6 inches of snow.
Now that this storm has passed, many say the conditions appear to be much better.
They were definitely, keeping up with the roads. It's something that they do well around here.
But Strong is still advising people to drive cautiously.
The back roads still, could be slippery, and drive to the conditions.
He says his department is already preparing for the rest of the season.
Get some needed rest and be ready for the next event that looks like some freezing rain come Monday.
In Springfield, Helena Battipaglia, NBC 5 News.